the other side, it's the same thing we've been doing. We're just going to do 2 colors and then write the answer. So 4 plus 3. If I do 4 plus 3, how many of our 10 frames are full? 7. Very good. Now if I do 1 plus 5, how many 10 frames are full? 6. Very good. Now if I do 2 plus 2, how many 10 frames are full? 4. Very nice, boys and girls. I would like you to try the last 2 on your own and then turn your paper into the basket and get started on your dream box. Nice work today, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls, today we're going to do our last batch of word problems. And so the first problem I would like you to try is 6 plus 2. So we catch 6 and count up 2. Ready? 6. What's the answer? 8. Very good. Let's do 5 plus 4. Ready? Catch 5, count up 4. Ready? 5. What's the answer? 9. Very good. Next one, let's do 3 plus 7. So we catch 7 and count up 3. Ready? 7. What's the answer? 10. Very good. And for our last one, let's do 2 plus 9. So we're going to catch 9 and count up 2. 9. What's the answer? 11. Did you notice anything about our answers today? There's a pattern. Good job. All right.